I'm about to answer the question that's been keeping you up at night. Can you actually make money from trading bots, or are they all just garbage? I've tested dozens of bots as well as built my own bot and seen many spectacular wins, but also catastrophic failures. Today, I'm giving you the unfiltered truth about trading bots. What works and what doesn't work, and why 90% of people always get it completely wrong. I'm Kino and I've been on every side of this question. I've been the skeptic who thought all bots were scams. I've been the victim who lost money on garbage systems. And I've been the mentor helping others navigate this confusing industry or even matrix. And here's what I learned. The question isn't whether trading bots can make you money. Some absolutely can. The real questions are which ones actually work, how do they work, and why do most people fail with them even if they're using a profitable system? And today I'm answering all three of those questions with real data, not just marketing hype. So let me start with the truth that will upset most bot haters and bot creators. Trading bots are tools, not magic money machines. Think of trading like a power drill in the hands of a skilled carpenter. It builds beautiful furniture. In the hands of someone who doesn't know what they're doing, all it does is create expensive holes that cause expensive failures. The bot doesn't make you money. The strategy inside the bot makes you money. The bot just executes that strategy without fatigue, without emotions, without greed, hope, failures. You all human errors and flaws. Here's a reality check. Good bots with good strategies can be profitable. Good bots with bad strategies will lose consistently. Bad bots will lose money regardless of strategy. Even good bots require the right setup and realistic expectations. Most people fail with trading bots because they expect the bot to be the strategy when really the bot is just the execution engine of that strategy. Before we talk about making money, let's talk about what trading bots actually do, because most beginners have completely wrong expectations. What bots do: execute trades based on predefined rules, monitor markets 24/7 without getting tired, manage risk according to programmed parameters, remove emotions from trade execution, process multiple currency pairs simultaneously, maintain consistent discipline. What bots don't do: predict the future, guarantee profits, adapt to completely new market conditions automatically, replace the need for strategy and risk management, work without proper setup and monitoring, make you rich without any effort from you. When I first started using bots, I thought I could just turn them on and walk away and not look at them forever. I learned the hard way that even the best bots need some kind of monitoring, occasional adjustments, and proper risk management. The bot handles execution, but you still need to handle the oversight. Not all trading bots are created equal. Understanding the difference could save you thousands. Type 1, scam bots. So these promise unrealistic returns, 100% plus per month, use dangerous strategies like martingale, no real track record or verification, disappear when they stop working, usually cost $50 to $200. Type 2, basic algorithm bots. These follow simple RSI rules, crosses, moving averages, work in some market conditions, fail in others, transparent about what they do, reasonably priced around $200 to $500. It can be profitable with proper expectations. Type 3, advanced strategy bots. This is based on proven manual trading strategies. Use sophisticated market analysis, include proper risk management, continuously updated, and it's supported. Higher cost but potentially higher value. This is around $500 to $3,000 price point. Most beginners buy type 1 bots because they're pretty cheap and they have those crazy expectations that they want, the gamble. Smart traders use type 3 because they're built on real trading principles that actually work in the market. So here's where it gets interesting, and most people's expectations completely shatter. Let me show you what realistic bot performance looks like. The biggest reason people fail with bots is because of the unrealistic expectations they have from the absurd marketing that they receive. Marketing hype says make $1,000 per day guaranteed. 99% win rate. Never lose money again. Set it and forget it forever. No experience needed. Reality says good bots might make 5 to 15% per month consistently. Win rates of 60 to 70% are excellent. Losing streaks are normal and inevitable. Regular monitoring and adjustments needed. Basic understanding of trading helps significantly. My most successful bot averages 15% per month over the course of the year. Some months it makes 20%, some months it makes around 2%. Over time it's profitable, but it's not a money printer. It's a consistent performer with realistic returns. If someone promises you 100% returns every single month, they are lying. You need to run away as fast as you can. Let me show you how legitimate trading bots actually generate profit. So the process: market analysis. Bot scans for specific patterns or conditions. Entry decision. When criteria are met, bot enters trades automatically. Risk management. Stop loss and position sizing applied immediately. Trade management. Bot monitors trade according to programmed rules. Exit decision. Bot exists based on profit targets or stop loss. Repeat. process continues 24/7 without emotional interference. The edge comes from perfect discipline, emotionless execution, 24/7 operation, consistent application of proven strategies, no fatigue or distraction affecting performance. The bot I use follows the same smart strategy every single time that I used to trade manually for the last 12 years. It doesn't get tired at 2 a.m. It doesn't get scared during the drawdown. It doesn't get greedy when it's up a little bit. It doesn't move its stop loss based on a gut feeling or how the day went. It just does the same thing every single time. Even with good bots, most people still lose money, and here's why. Failure reason number 1, wrong expectations. They expect 50% monthly returns and quit when they get 5%. Failure reason number 2, poor risk management. They risk 10% per trade instead of 0.5 to 1.5% per trade. Failure reason number 3, impatience. They turn off the bot after losing 1 week. Failure reason number 4, no understanding. They don't know what the bot does or why it works. Failure reason number 5, interference. They constantly override the bot's decisions. I watched a trader run a profitable bot into a losing system by consistently interfering with its hardware, with its wire, how it was set up and the logic built on it, just putting in random inputs. He would close winning trades early because he didn't want to give it back to the market. He would move the stop loss on losing trades because he thought it would turn around. He turned a disciplined system into an emotional mess. Here's what successful bot users do differently. Choose quality over price. They invest in bots built on real strategies, not cheap gimmicks. Start small and scale. They begin with small amounts to test and understand the system. Set realistic expectations. They expect 5 to 15% monthly returns, not 100%. Practice proper risk management. They never risk more than 1.5 to 2% per trade. Give systems time to work. They evaluate performance over months, not days. Learn the strategy. They understand what the bot does and why it works. Monitor without interfering. They check on the bot regularly but don't override his decisions. Maintain discipline. They stick to the plan even during losing streaks. Difference between success and failure isn't the bot, it's how you use the bot. Before you use any trading bots, you have to watch out for these red flags. Promises of guaranteed profits, claims of 90% plus win rates, secret strategies they won't explain, no real track record or verification, pressure to buy right now, anonymous creators with no accountability. Technical red flags, uses martingale or grid strategies, no stop losses or risk management, requires you to give them your login credentials, no customer support or documentation, can't explain how the strategy works. Community red flags, only positive reviews, no honest feedback, fake testimonies with stock photos, no real user community or support, creators disappear when questioned, no ongoing updates or improvements. If you see any of these red flags, you have to run. There are legitimate bots out there, don't waste your money on scams. Here's what legitimate trading bots have in common. So strategy transparency, clear explanation of how it actually works. It's based on proven trading principles, realistic performance expectations, they're honest about risk and drawdowns. Technical quality, proper risk management built in, regular updates and improvements, professional development and testing compatible with major trading platforms. Support and community, responsive customer support, educational resources are included, ongoing strategy updates. Track record, honest reporting of both losses and wins, long-term consistency over flashy short-term gains. Creator credibility, real person with trading background, transparent about their experience, available for questions and support. Reputation, they're willing to stake on the product. So can you really make money with trading bots? Absolutely, 100% you can. But if you choose the right bot with realistic expectation and use it properly, the key is finding a bot that's built on real principles, not just marketing gimmicks. A bot that's transparent about its strategies, honest about its risk, and supported by someone who actually trades. That's exactly what I built with KinoBot. It's based on the same smart money strategy that I traded for the last 12 years. It includes proper risk management, realistic expectations, and complete transparency on how it works. But more importantly, KinoBot comes with education. You're not just getting a bot, you're learning why it works and how to use it properly and how to set realistic expectations. If you're curious what a real bot with proper risk management, proper education, proper foundation, and real trading principles look like, check out KinoBot in the description. Trading bots can make money, but they're not magic. Don't let these scammers scare you away from legitimate automation. If this video helped you understand what's real and what's not in this trading automation world, make sure you like, subscribe, and share with a friend that needs it. The truth might not be as exciting as the hype, but it sure is way more profitable. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.